Alright, I'm going to show you how to edit picture and separate the background and the subject. To do that, the first thing we're going to do is create, separate add more layers. So hit Control J. This will copy the mask, the copy the layer. Next, this is going to be the background. So what we're going to do, select subject. Alright, subject is selected, and since this is going to be a background, we're going to hold down the Alt key and hit select mask. Now, the white part right here is what is going to affect. The black part conceal mean that it's not going to affect the subject. And what I do is click here, and we're going to change the color. So we're going to do color balance, and we can actually attach it to the quick clippings. This will clip the settings to this layer only, but not affect the back to this layer. So go to here and watch. If you change the color, you can see it doesn't change the color of the subject. So we're going to do I would actually start with the mid-tone. I'm going to change that to 0. Oops. Highlights there. So we get the highlight is, think of like sunlight. So we can add more about right there, and a little bit more magenta. So it looks like it's like late night, golden hour color. So it'd be like that. And let's see here, you can see it doesn't affect our skin color. And we're going to do let's do brightness and contrast, and we can clip it, and then we're going to do more bright, not too much because it's going to look too different from the subject and it's weird. So we add more contrast about right there, and I'll group them together. So I'll hold down Shift, select the top one, hold down Shift, select the bottom one, and then hit Control G. We'll group them together, we'll name it, double click on that, and then this is going to be background. Okay, and let's see here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the green color. This is just too much green. And then right now, if I change the green color, it doesn't affect her dress. So we're going to do hues and saturation, and we're going to clip it, and we're going to go to green color. And if you wanted to, you can kill the green. Where'd it go? We add more ranged green. Go. Right there. And if you wanted to, you can change that green color to something else. So I'm gonna find that yellow. About right there. Now, if you want to do like that, so it's kind of kill the green a little bit. The effects over here too. Just too much green. There we go. Now it looks kind of weird. We need to add more yellow. So there we go. I like that. So yeah, that's how you do it separately. And I think you can do as well. I'll hit Control J, and I'll move this away on top like that, and then clip this, and then we can invert this. Now this is only affect the subject only, and we're gonna do Control G, and and we'll name it subject. As you can see, it now it's part of the subject. Now what we can do is so we can, her skin tone is kind of like yellow, pale, so we can do, let's do color balance. Okay, so let's see here, we can do mid-tone because this is a mid-tone. Add a little more red. Oops, we forgot to clip it. About right there. Yellow. About right there. Yeah, about right there. See. Yep, so we need to add more brightness. Clip it. And make the subject brighter. Yeah. And you can see her, she stands out too much, I think. So, what you can do, select this one, and we can, to make it blend in a little bit more. And to do that, we're gonna say brush. Oh, by the way, how I get there is to hold down the Alt key and hit the mask. And what I do is make this a little bit bigger, about right there. Yep. And we change the flow to about 15. And the stylus pens, I'm gonna use this pen here. Okay. What I'll do, I'll draw around her like this, so it blends in a little bit, not so perfect. The color kind of bleed in together like that. Okay, so now kind of blends a little bit better. As you can see, I kind of like her her hair to be a bit more yellow. It looks kind of better. So like here, and now we're gonna make her hair a bit more yellow. We're gonna add more color to it, so it'll be like this. And is it, I'm going the wrong way? Oh yeah, I did. Be this way. That. There. I like it like that. So let's do see before and after. Before, after. Much better. And the skin tone still almost exact the same, it's just brighter. So there you go. That's how you do it. Just be careful that doesn't make the subject completely different from the background. For example, if you do like this, oh, turn this off, you can see the subject is not blending into the picture, so don't go crazy with it. Alright, put it back. Yep, there you go.